Hello and welcome to Grade 6 Math class. This is your teacher, Miss Amwakon Atta. In our previous lesson, we treated multiplication using the blocks. So for today, we are going to learn multiplication using the area model. Excited, right? Good. So now pick your jotters and work out the examples with me. So the first example I have here is 184 times 21. How do we multiply these two numbers using the area model? Good. So the first we are going to do is we are going to divide this and we are going to expand each numbers. So taking the 184, let's expand this. And this is going to give me 100. Then I have 80 and 4. So 100 plus 80 plus 4 gave us the 184. Now picking the 21, how do we expand that? That 2 will give us 20 plus 1. Great. So this is our expansion of the problem up there. 184 times 21. We can interchange this. So they are interchangeable, alright? I can decide to place the 21 here and decide to place the 184 up there. Multiplication is commutative. Good. So now you pick the 100 and multiply by the 20. So 100 times 20 is giving us 2,000. Good. Then the same 100 times 1. That is giving us 100. We are done with this side. We now come down. 80 times 20. That is giving us. Good. So if you don't want any trouble, just multiply it individually. So 8 times 2 is giving us 16. Plus the 2 zeros. Good. Then the 80 times 1 will also give us 80. Excellent. Then we pick the 4 now. 4 times 20. That is giving us, so 4 times 2 is 8. Then the 0 being added to give us 80. Then 4 times 1 will also give us 4. When you finish, your concentration should be on the area, this side. So that is, you are going to sum everything in the area up, giving you 2,000 plus 100 plus 1,600 plus 80 plus another 80, then plus our 4. Great. So now sum them up and tell me what you are getting. So your final answer or the solution for this will give you a final answer. So simple. You don't need to struggle and crack your brains over this. Just expand the figures and arrange them up and left. So the first I did was I expanded the 184 and arranged them at the left side. Then I expanded the 21 and arranged them on top. You can, as I said earlier on, you can interchange this. So this is multiplication using the area model. Right, let me add another example to it. That is 127 times 15. Great. So expanding this, what do you think it's going to be? This will give us 100 plus 20 plus 7. Then the 15 up there is also going to give us 10 plus 5. That's the expansion of the problem over there. So now 100 times 10 will give us 1,000. 100 times 5 will give you 500. Then it comes the next one. 20 times 10 will also give us 200. 20 times 5 will give us 100. Then it comes the last one, 7. 7 times 10 giving us 7. That is 70. Then 7 times 5 giving us 35. Great. So how do you get a final answer? As we did in our previous example, just sum all these up. So 1,000 plus, you take this 500 plus 200 plus 100 plus 70 plus 35. So the answer will be your final answer for this multiplication. Remember that multiplication is a repeated additions. So multiplication is generated from additions. They are all interrelated. Great. So now try your hands on these and put your answers at the comment section. So the first I have here is, I have 15 times 17. I have 20 times 12. I have 16 times 16. I have 12 times 15. I have 11 times 15. Then the last one, I have 16 times 15. So now work this one out and provide your answers at the comment section. Mathematics is interesting. There are so many approaches in solving a problem. So challenge yourself with a new approach. Alright? Great. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Our next tutorial is going to be on division. Alright. So stay tuned to this channel for more mathematics tutorials. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.